Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can create a new partition drive in our device, whether it's a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go first to our file explorer and let's see how many drives that we have. So here in this section, I have already selected this PC option. So you can see here the local disk C and the new volume E. And let's create a new partition now. Okay, so let's just follow these few simple steps that I'm going to show you. Make sure that you finish watching this video until the end. Okay, so here in the Windows icon, please make a right click and then go click on this run button here, and you will see that this run window is up on our screen. So here let's type diskmgmt.msc. It's diskmgmt.msc. Now click on OK or enter, and after doing that, the management window will be up on our screen. So as you can see here, I have local disk C and then the new volume E drive. So how are we going to make a new partition? So of course, let's select the larger drive and let's select the C drive. So once selected, please make a right click on it and then let's click shrink volume. Now it's squaring shrink space. And let's just wait for this to be done. Okay, so this might take 2 to 3 minutes. Let's just wait for this to finish. Okay, so we have now another window, and as you can see here, we have the total size before shrink in MB, and what are we going to do here is just enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So let's say I want a 5 gigabyte partition, so I'll enter here 5,000 and then click on shrink. And after doing that, you'll see an unallocated space right here. So let's just wait for that to finish loading. So as you can see here, I have 4.88 gigabytes unallocated drive. So we need to format this one to create a new partition. So all we need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on new simple volume. And this wizard window will come up on your screen. So this wizard helps you create a simple volume on this. Just click on next and click again next. And here all we need to do is assign the following drive letters, so we can select for the letter that we can assign to the drive. Okay, so select T and then click on next, and make sure that for the file system you have selected NTFS. For the allocation unit size it's default, and the volume label is set to new volume. And once done, please click on next and then finish. And as you can see, we have now created a new volume, which is D, and it's 4.88 gigabytes. Okay, so let's check if this is present in our file explorer. As you can see here, we have our new volume D. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.